Hello, good morning. Welcome in the topic statistics. This time for your syllabus, a lot of syllabus is deleted from stats. Basically, the graph part of the statistics is completely removed from your syllabus. So, the things have become very easy and very simple, and very less content we have got. So, within 4 or 5 days, we will be completing this topic itself. So let us understand first of all what we have got in this topic. So first of all we have mean using two different methods. One is direct method and second is assumed mean method. Step deviation method of mean is been cancelled from your syllabus. Then we have median, mode and ogive is cancelled. So we have only this much part for your syllabus this year. Let us understand first of all mean. This is the revision of your 9th standard part. Mean of group data. When we have got something like this, how to find out a mean? So let's understand that. It's a easy content, a very easy and simple one. Let's understand. I'll just help you in solving it. You may remember it. Okay. So the first one is considered as xi, that is 4, 6, 9, 10 and 15. The second one is called as frequency. We name it as Fi, which is 5, 10, 10, 7 and 8. One more column we need, we call it as Fixi. That means the product of this and this. So maybe it is 20 and then 60 and then 90, 70, 120. Right? And the formula for finding mean is x bar is equals to, which is a symbol of mean, summation fi xi upon summation fi. Summation fi xi, the meaning is the addition of fi xi column. So if I add all these things, we call it as summation fi xi. And summation fi means the addition of column fi. Fi column addition is called as a summation fi. Okay, so can we do that? It's a very simple one, right? So the addition is 0 here, 9, 18 and 8, 26, 6 to carry 3, I think 360. I hope so, hope it is correct one. 360 divided by, I think 10 plus 10, 20, 15 plus 15, 30 and 10, 40. 40, yeah. So if I divide, I get answer as 9. So mean is 9 and the answer is here. Hope you could see that. And it's a very simple way, very simple content. Okay. So can we try the other one? This was simply the revision. So that's the reason I'm not wasting so much of time on this. Okay. So let's continue the next part. This is the second one. The mean of this data is given, that is 7.5, and you are expected to find out a p value. Mean of this data is 7.5. You have to find p value. कहाँ है p value? यहाँ पे है p value. तो अपना कॉन्सेप्ट सेम है, xi, fi, fi xi, यही कॉन्सेप्ट है. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 6, 8, 15, p, 8, 4. If I multiply, it is 18 here, 40, 105, 9p at 88, 52. And if I add this one, we call it as summation fi xi. And if I add this one, we call it as summation fi. ठीक है ना? And what is the formula for mean? X bar is equals to summation fi xi upon summation fi. ठीक है? Please write summation sign properly. There are so many people, those who write summation sign in this way. So it is simply in this manner the summation you have to write. So remember this symbol. Anyway, summation fi xi means addition of all that except these, which is 9p remaining as it is. I will add all other numbers. So 23 to carry 303. So the numerator I get 303 plus 9p divided by summation fi plus p is left as it is because you cannot add that. 12 41. So it is 41 plus p. But this time I'm given the mean of the data, that is 7.5. So if I multiply by this, 7.5 into bracket 41 plus p is equal to 303 plus 9p, right? If you solve this, you may realize that you will get your answer for p. p आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? कैन यू फाइंड इट आउट? ईजी है, कुछ ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. तो पहला पार्ट इट वॉज जस्ट अ रिविजन ऑफ योर लास्ट ईयर्स मीन, ठीक है? तो यहाँ तक तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, तो यहाँ से अभी 10th शुरू हो जाता है. तो इन केस इफ़ यू did not do these all question, then also it's okay, but from here you have to basically concentrate properly. Mean of the group data. So what is the difference between last year's mean and this year's mean? The only difference here is, instead of given this as ungrouped, the classes are given are grouped. ठीक है? These classes are grouped, you can check that. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and all, right? So I'll just write here classes. Classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Then we'll write Fi, as we all know. Fi in sense the frequency, that is 7, 10, 15, 8 and 10. Now, as we all know, the formula here remains same. X bar is equals to summation fi xi upon summation fi, whereas we have fi. Only thing is that how about xi? We don't have xi. So instead of xi, we have a complete class. So I'll find out xi. Now what is xi? Xi is the center of this particular class interval. Center 0 to 10 का center क्या होना चाहिए? It is 5. So that is nothing but our xi. So we consider from 0 to 10, we consider the mean of it. That means the center of it. That is 5. But if I just say center of it, how will you find it out? Now that's the problem. तो वो formula होना चाहिए. xi is called as a class mark, which is xi, and which is always upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Upper limit का मतलब होता है the highest value of the class is upper limit and lowest value is called as the lower limit. So it is 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Answer is 5. So the 5 is here. Then 10 plus 20 upon 2 is 30 upon 2, 15. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 upon 2 is 25. 30 plus 40, 70, 35. 90, 45. You might have observed that there is a gap of 10 in a consecutive class marks. Okay, just remember, it is just a fact I told you. I'll explain you the significance of it later on. I need fi xi, as we see. Let us go for it. You can also try with me. Okay, so I need summation fi xi, which is a formula. I hope you remember that. So summation fi xi in sense this addition of this, and summation fi means addition of this. I'll go for summation fi. Simple है, हो गया अभी. That's it. ये बहुत ही simple है, isn't it? 7 50 and addition of this one carry. Okay, so it is 1290. ठीक है, तो it will be 1290. I don't know whether it is correct or not. I did it quite fast. So this 00 get cancelled. Let's try the numbers now. 5 2s are 10, 2 left, 29, 5 5s are 25, and 4 5 8s are 40. Yes, the answer is here. It's correct. But normally 25.8 it's a number, not the answer. Let me tell you, number in sense it requires a unit. Now which unit it will take? The class unit it will take. Always remember the class का unit क्या है? Marks. So that unit it will take. Okay, so 25.8 marks is nothing but your mean. X bar is equals to that. कुछ ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल है. क्लास मार्क का तो फॉर्मूला आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. It's not required as per the presentation, but is required to remember it. तो first few question क्लास मार्क का फॉर्मूला लिखो आपके बुक में, क्लास मार्क क्या होता है, एंड देन फाइंड आउट करो, यू विल गेट इट. सो दैट्स इट. आज के लिए इतना ही. यू विल कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन. ये जो दिख रहा है आंसर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. ओके, हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आंसर आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू. ठीक है, डन. तो ट्राई करो. आपके बुक में वर्कशीट में जितने भी क्वेश्चन दिए हुए, दिखाता हूँ मैं कौन से क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं. जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट. Okay, so this is for video 1, that means this video which is going on right now. So the two questions which we have done it directly, then we have to find out p value or maybe f1 f2. This you don't do. Question number 3, please don't try it. Question number 3, don't do it. मीन ऑफ द ग्रुप डेटा यहाँ से शुरू किया था हमने. ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. सेकेंड वन यू कैन डू इट. थर्ड वन ऑल्सो यू कैन डू इट. फोर्थ वन दैट इज डी. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. आज का लिए इतना ही. डे 2 शुरू हो जाता है, तो आज का दिन बस आपको इतना कंप्लीट करना है. दैट्स इट. डे 1 विल बी कंप्लीटिंग दिस मच टुडे. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट पार्ट maybe 1 or 2 questions you can try, but second part, that means mean of the group data when it start, this ABCD question properly complete karo. There can be difficulties, there can be issue that will be discussed in a short time. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.